always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
He doesn't want creme brulee. What does he want?
He wants a panna cotta. Of course he does. We all do. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to do a vanilla panna cotta, but with a little twist. So if you're interested to see how I make this variation of a classic Italian panna cotta with raspberries, then please keep watching. I'm so happy with the results. It actually worked. I didn't think so in the beginning, but I thought I'd give it a try. So there you have it, a cross between a panna cotta and a creme brulee. So if you enjoyed watching this video and you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell. On that note, I'm getting out of this kitchen, and I'll look forward to seeing you in my next video. Once again, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.